Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's videos, we will learn one of the most powerful feature and the time-saving concept in the Siemens WinCC OA SCADA, that is a graphic object template and instance. By the end of this video, you will understand what they are, how they work, and why they are essential for large SCADA project. So let's start. So first we understand what is a graphic object. In the SCADA, a graphic object is a visual element that represent a device or the process. For example, the motor, tank, wall, or indication line. Here you can see we have this motor, this wall, this tank. This all is our graphic elements. So this all is our graphic object. Each graphic object can have its own property, animation, color, and script that response process values. So next, let understand what is a graphic object template. A graphic object template is like a master design or the blueprint of an object. When you create a template, you define its structure, animation, tag, and even script once. So this all you define just once. This allow you to reuse the same design across multiple screen or project without having to rebuild it every time. For example, you can create a motor template that include like motor symbol, on off animation, status color indication, and the tag placeholder. Then you can reuse it same motor at the many times. So once we create a motor template, after that, we'll create a motor instance from that template. So every time you use it, that template on the screen, and it will become an instance. Think of an instance is a copy or the child of template. It inherits everything from the template, the shape, animation, and logic. The great thing is if you modify the template later, like changing the color or adding a new property, all the instance automatically update. This save huge amount of time and ensure the consistency across all your screen. So let's see practically. We will create a template, and then that template we will reuse it at the multiple places. So to create a template, you come here in the object, right click and add a new panel. And I will write this, for example, the name of template is lamp 01. Click OK. Then expand the object, double click and open it. Just to simplicity, I will just put one circle. And for example, I will put 30, 0, this one. Okay, now I will apply here the color change property. So in the normal, once you select it, I will select the gray color in the normally. I want once the my value is true, in that time this should show the green color, else it should show the gray color. So I will come here to initialize, change color and background, value dependent, click next. And from here, I will select, for example, my motor run tag and feedback status. And here I will select the run tag and click OK. And from here, I will select the gray color. So for the true value, I will select the green color and click next and click over the finish. So this is my uh, like the configuration for to change the color. Now I want to make this to be used for the as a template. So I will come here in the script editor. So I will modify it this part. Like for example, I will just copy this part because the rest other feedback status done is common. It will be common for my all of the data points, different type of data points I create. So press Control F, then click here over the replace. So I want to like replace this my code. For example, Control V. I want to replace this M001 with dollar sign EMP plus uh, plus sign and double column. So I will now I will replace part, this part with this, and I will click here replace all. In two of the location is replace. So actually it's just concatenation between this dynamic part and this static part. So that's it. And click here on the syntax and then save and close. Now I will close this one, and now I will bring that instance here over the pump. So for that you have to go here in the view, then catalog of all objects, and I will little bit put it. Okay. Okay. So here go in the last. Here you will find the object. So here you will find the object that just now you created. Just select, drag, and drop it here. So here you have to assign your pump, that data point that we already created. Just click here, and then I will go here and I will select my motor. So you just have to assign your motor tag. Okay, so it will just take the our data point element. Okay, so just select and click OK. So if I will put it here parallel to my manually created this linking, and this is my template. So what is this? This I create here template. Now from here all objects, this is my template. Just I select, drag and drop. Now this is my graphic object instance. This have the all of the functionality whatever the in the my template. So let's save it and we will compile it, and we'll just change the scene. Here it will appear. Now if I will change my art controller value, for example, if I will change it from here, here you can see I'm getting the same result. So whenever I am changing this update, I will put it off. So according to my field value, my instance also is changing. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a graphic object template and how we can configure a graphic object instance in the Siemens WinCC OA. So we can reuse this instance for our multiple time. So for example, if I want to use it, this instance for my other, like I will just simply put it here for the other pump, and I will just here, like I will link it like motor pump 2. I will select my pump 2 element, click OK, and that's it. So now the same template I can use for the pump 1 also and for pump 2 also. So, so Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the graphic object template and instance. So thanks for watching this video.